Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're learning Power BI and want to handle dates and time intelligence efficiently, today's video is perfect for you. We are going to dive into the end of month function in Power BI, what it does, how to use it, and some practical examples. Okay, let's get started. First, let's understand what end of month is. Okay, end of month is a DAX function in Power BI that returns the last date of the month for a given date column. Okay, this is super useful when you want to calculate month end balances, revenues, or like cumulative matrices in your reports. Let's look into the syntax. Here's the syntax of end of month. End of month of dates. So what dates is a column containing dates or a table with a single column of a date. Basically, it will give you the last date of the month for each date in your column. Okay, let's see it in action. Suppose we have a sales table with a column order date. To get the last date of each month for these orders, you can create a new column or a measure. Okay, I already created a new column here that is month and date. Okay, month and date is equal to end of month of order date. After using this one, look at here. 5th January means end of date month end. What is the month end? 31st January 2023. It is given like this. And for February, that is 28th, right? February 2023. So you can then use this month and date column in your reports for monthly summaries, revenue calculations, or trend analysis. Okay. And tips or tricks that I can give here is use end of month together with total YTD, total MTD, or calculate, okay, to analyze month and matrices. Then yeah, combine it with a date table for accurate time intelligence calculations. And like if you want Power BI to automatically consider the end date of the month for any date range, end of month is easiest way. Okay, and yeah, that's it. And that's how you can use the end of month function in Power BI to calculate month and dates and improve your reporting. Okay. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more powerful Power BI tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.